What is going on, guys? MachiumiFB here again. I got another unboxing, and this time it's not really like a order and then unbox, but I got it from a shop, as you can see here. See the plastic. So first thing here, we got Blackriver box 1, which is totally awesome. This is my first Blackriver ramp. It is really light. I never expected it to be this light, but yeah. Wait, let me manual focus this. It says, oops, upside down. Hey, Blackriver Ramps. There's a stamp right there to prove it, and yeah, and made in Germany. And of course it has the non-sliders here. And the next thing we had is the shotgun rail. I originally wanted the Blackriver, what's it called, bike rack, but they didn't have it in stock, so I got this instead. So yeah, price tag. Yeah, it's critical, as you can see here. It says Blackriver Ramps. Another price tag. Oh my god, they put so many price tags on this. Yeah, where'd it go? Okay, so yeah, and here we got, show you the best one for last. This one we have the, we're going to take out the price tags first, and 3 price tags in one item, like what the heck. And we have the Blackriver bench. Yeah. Nice sliders. Really cool bench. Last but not least, we have Berlin wood wide. Yeah. This is so awesome. This is my first Berlin wood ever. With my other deck. Give me a second. Ah! Okay. Can't find my other deck, but Berlin wood. Wide shape. And this is the only graphic that they had. I originally wanted to get the classic graphic skull, the graphic classic skull, but they didn't have it in stock, so I just got this. It's not a toy. Let's open this. Yeah, baby. First thing we got is the whoa. Berlin wood engraved rip tape. I'm not sure if this is gonna catch you. First rip tape ever engraved, so yeah. And then we have, let's take out the stickers first. No more stickers inside. Yeah, no more stickers. So we have the how to apply the rip tape. Oh, this big sticker. I have no idea what this is. Oh, Berlin wood. Okay, it says Berlin wood. Blackriver Pirate, Bali, small Blackriver, and Berlin wood green. Let's see here. Yeah, so let's get into the deck. This thing feels really comfy. And oh, whoa, oh snap, oh shit, whoa, look at that top ply. Oh my god. Whoa. Brilliant wood sign. I don't know what's wrong with that, but whoa, look at that top ply. Insane top ply, I tell you. So the plies go, they go black. It's just black. Yeah, black plies. Whoa, the bottom ply, I don't think you can see that, but see here. See a bit of that, but it's red in color. Oh snap. That is so sick. So yeah, as I said, this is my first Berlin wood. It's white shape. This is the karate thing graphic, I guess. Oh my god. Let me see this. Fits okay. Fits alright. Yeah. So we go back. We got the Berlin wood, white shape, the Blackriver street bench, Blackriver shotgun rail. This thing is heavy, and Blackriver box one. This thing is really light. So thank you, Blackriver. So yeah, is out of focus. Yeah, thank you. So I just set up my board, my Berlin wood board, and the plies are pretty sick. I thought it was just the middle one was normal maple or something, but actually yellow ply. So the top is red, black, yellow, black, and then bottom ply which looks red. So yeah, this is the engraved, put the holes there. Then I got the tech deck trucks with the tech deck wheels, just normal wheels, because my tech deck soft bearing wheels broke the other day. So yeah, thanks a lot. Peace, y'all.